Good morning, children. Yesterday we were reading about my body. I told you there are two types of organ in our body. One is external and another is internal organs. External organs, those organs we can see. Okay, like eyes, arms, head, mouth, chin. What are all these? These are external organs. Today we are going to read about internal organs. So what are the internal organs? Those organs we can't see in our body. These are called internal organs. So first is, what is the brain? First internal organ is brain. Children, where is brain? Brain means our mind. It is inside of our head and it helps us to think, learn and remember. Whatever you learn, whatever you see, whatever you do, who remember all the things? Our mind remember all the things. Yesterday, what have you done? Last year in the holidays, where had you visited? All the things you remembered. Who remembered all these things? That brain remember all the things. And it control all the organs of our body. You can say it is the head of all the organs of the body. Understood? It is first. Now second is heart. Heart, you know, children. Heart supply blood to all the parts of our body, and it is inside our chest. Where it is in chest? In the left side of our chest. And when you put your hand on the left side of your chest, you will feel some beating there. What is beating there? Our heart is beating there. Okay. The heart, what is the work of heart? Heart pump blood and send to all the organs of our body, and the heart beats in 1 minute 72 times. If you when the doctor you go to doctor puts stethoscope on our chest, and what he checks our heartbeat, and if our heartbeat is normal, we are healthy. If there our heartbeat is not okay, so then we are sick. Right? Now third is lungs. Children, like heart, lungs are also in our chest. And what is the work over there? The breath will take in. So the lungs purify the air and supply to all the organs of our body, like the blood. ब्लड जैसे पूरे बॉडी को जाता है, ऐसे ही एयर, ऑक्सीजन, वी टेक इन ऑक्सीजन. Oxygen also goes to all organs of our body, and who supply it? Lungs supply it. Okay. Now next is, children, stomach. Stomach, you know where it is. Stomachs in our is also internal part of our body, and it's look like a bag. Why it look like a bag? Because whatever food we eat, where it's stored, it goes to our stomach, and the stomach churns the food in liquid form, means it digests our food, and by digesting the food we get energy and strength. Okay. How do we get energy and strength? By eating food. So we should eat every time healthy food. If we eat healthy food, then we get energy and strength to do work. Why do we need energy and strength? To do our work, we need energy and strength. Children, you play daily. If you will not eat healthy food, how how will you get energy? and strength. For that, everyone, whether they are old people, young people or children, everyone need strength and energy to do their work. After that, last internal parts of our body, that is kidneys. किडनीज लुक लाइक्स बीन्स. बीन्स आपने देखा है जिसको हम राजमा बोलते हैं. राजमा की जैसी शेप होती है. लाइक दिस दे लुक लाइक. दैट इज योर बीन्स. सॉरी, योर किडनीज. ओके, द किडनी लुक लाइक बीन्स. And what is the work of kidney? Kidney work to remove waste from our body. तो जो भी हम through the urine and from the stool, we remove our waste from our body. So who does it? With the help of a kidney, we keep our body clean. Okay, children. So that's all for today. I hope all of you understood it. You learned all the internal organs, what and their work: brain, heart, lungs, stomach, and kidneys. Okay, have a good day. Thank you.